In this video, I am going to discuss about the plate tectonic theory. Plate tectonics, it is the process of evolution, nature and motion of plates, and resultant reaction is called plate tectonics. Plates are rigid and solid crustal layers. So these rigid and solid crustal layers move towards each other or move away from each other, and this resultant reaction is called plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is based on the concept of continental drift and concept of seafloor spreading. In this process, plates glide slowly over the weak asthenosphere. So weak asthenosphere is the upper part of the mantle, and above that they glide slowly. Major tectonic activity occurs near the plate margins, so like volcanicity and mountain building, seismic activity, these occurs at the plate margins where both the plates meet. Suppose say this is the plate margin, here both the plates are meeting, so here it's possible for many tectonic activities like mountain building, volcanicity and seismic activity. Different scholars gave different views about plate tectonics, and the term plate was first used by Wilson, who was a Canadian geophysicist. After Virginia's continental drift, it took nearly 4 to 5 decades for them to come up with another theory, that is plate tectonics. Mackenzie and Parker discussed in detail the mechanism of plate motions. They postulated a paving stone hypothesis, in which the oceanic crust was considered to be newly formed at mid-oceanic ridges and destroyed at the trenches. So this is our oceanic crust, and here the newly formed, this is the oceanic crust and this is the oceanic trench. So this is the mid-oceanic ridge. Here from inner part of the earth, like from mantle, the materials emerge. So upper ring of material like this, and they spread like this towards this direction, and slowly they are destroyed at the continental oceanic trenches. They are destroyed at the oceanic trenches. So like this, the material whichever is emerging from the mantle destroyed at the oceanic trenches. This is the paving stone hypothesis. And W.J. Morgan and Leigh Picon elaborated the various aspects of plate tectonics. Different plate margins. There are three kinds of plate margins are there. One is constructive, another one is destructive, another one is conservative plate margins. Constructive plate margin is also called as divergent plate margins, where zones of divergence and there is continuous upwelling of lava, this oceanic crust is formed continuously. Destructive or convergent plate margins, here two plates converge along a line so that plate overrides the other plate and overridden plate is subducted into metal, so the part of a crust is lost. So here I have the image. This is the divergent plate margins. Say this is the plate, this is the upper plate. Here from mantle, lot of material is emerging outside, so this is forming new landform, like it can form a mountains, and this will lead to volcanic activity. So from this divergent plate margin, new landforms are created. So this is called conservative plate margins, whereas here this plate is subducted, so this is going under the another plate. So this is a plate, say this one is plate A, this is plate B. Plate A is subducted under this plate B. So here in the mantle, the temperature is high, pressure is high, and this landform whichever was there earlier, that is lost due to this convergence. So this is called destructive plate margins. So another type is conservative plate margins. This is also called as shear plate margins. Two plates slide past one another and long transform faults. So this just sliding, say this is a fault and this is a fault, just sliding above one, and this crust is neither created nor destroyed. So here there is no formation of crust or destruction of crust, just is a conservation, Just they are sliding past each other. That's it. So the present shape and arrangement of the continents could be attained through continuous relative movements of different plates. So these kind of different process either could be conservative or constructive or destructive plate margins where different process took place to form different landforms on the earth and different shapes on the earth continent. There are now 20 minor and 6 major plates are identified so far. So they are Eurasian, the major plates are Eurasian plate and Pacific plate, Indo-Australian plate, African plate, North American plate and South American plate. The other plates, then Antarctic plate, the other plates like